This Remax Realtec Group property video is presented by Mark Gainier. Ormond plan with stylish oversized plank tile on the main level. Large open kitchen, dining and great room area with multi-glass sliding door onto screened-in lanai. This home also features Crema Pearl granite countertops and cherry cabinets, in slate, throughout the house. Tile backsplash completes the kitchen. 8 doors on the main level gives the illusion of more height to the ceilings. Tucked away upstairs are 2 secondary bedrooms and the owner's suite, all with walk-in closets. Loft area divides the rooms for privacy. Laundry room is also located upstairs as well. Home comes with Ecobee 4 smart thermostat, USB chargers, built-in outlets in kitchen and owner suites, pre-wiring for ceiling fans in certain rooms and more. Bayside Terrace is located right on the bay and features